I've got out a final 97.5% accuracy compared with how the teachers marked it, and that has grown through just altering the marking scheme that I've created. So I have a text file which you add your sample answers to, and then you run it. Just constant improvements really bring that up. It was 93% when I made the board, and after a few changes I got it up that little 4.5%. You know, you type in a sentence, what is a coalition government, as an example of one of the questions I've done, and it's marked them very accurately. And so it does that by fitting things into a structure of a sentence, kind of understanding how, like, so question 1 might have this set of words that appear a lot, and so if that appears, I'll say, like, the computer will be like, okay, I understand, you know, that's this question, and then marks them that way. And so it goes, you know, 95% sure that's a right answer. That gives the person 2 marks, which is the full marks in the moment. With this, I've created an application where you can actually view the results on the internet. So this is an interface that a teacher could use, where it shows them what answers they wrote, what the marks the computer gave them, like that kind of information, where you can sort of search through it. If a teacher was utilising this in like just a class exam, you know, it gives them a backup of all their answers. They can see what they wrote, and it also kind of, it's like, the issue that I've actually chosen to explore is the limit to CSP exams. So 48 teachers are required to correct them. There's only 28 teachers available, and so what this is almost a replacement for that teacher who couldn't make it, and you can remark papers instantly. So that's kind of a feature that the teachers might be interested in using, or the state might be using for marking state exams in the future.